How do you fix Sintopia is crashing on Steam? First, you want to right click on the game in your library, open up the properties, and then in the general tab, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options. Then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is done, you can close Steam. Next, you want to open up your NVIDIA app or your AMD software, depending on which GPU you have, and make sure to download and install the latest driver updates for your GPU from here. Next, you want to open up a new browser tab, search for Redist, and open up the first link. Now you should get the 86 installer and the 64 for the distributables, both of them. And once you finish the installation, you will need to restart your computer. And right after the restart, you will also need to open up Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin before opening the game. And then you will need to launch the game from your library. This should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.